right, J. Tom Morgan, attorney. I might be botching your title here, but attorney who's smart, who we want to talk about all this stuff with. J. Tom, thanks for joining us here on the Hill on News. Former DA for Cobb County. Cobb County. There we go. What do you make of what Scott said? I'll let you respond, but I found it interesting that this RICO statute, a crime if people participated or maintained control of an enterprise through a pattern of racketeering. Why did she go with Fani Willis go with the RICO statute? What is it? Why is it important?
Well, Blake, first, thank you for inviting me, a Southern attorney and a former district attorney in Atlanta. So I have some knowledge about what is going on here. First, I want to address that the RICO statute was passed initially to prosecute mobsters by the feds, but since then every state has adopted its own RICO statute, and the Georgia statute is far more expansive than the federal statute. I prosecuted the first corrupt public official in Georgia, corrupt sheriff, for RICO and murder, and the RICO statute was upheld by our Supreme Court. Secondly, and what people have alluded to, but this case is so important because it will be the only time that these charges will be shown to the American people via television. I'm old enough to remember the Watergate hearings with Senator Sam Ervin, who was a trial attorney. And as you may know, this country was very divided until the evidence was presented to them over television. So every step of the way, it was not going to be behind closed doors, as in the federal system. This will be open for a jury, but also the jury of public opinion to hear the evidence and decide for themselves.
Based on what you've read, based on obviously your deep experience there, is Donald Trump, former president, in trouble?
Yes, this is an expansive indictment. There are 160 overt acts alleged in count one, and taking each one of those out of context, as people will nitpick, but you put them all together, it paints a picture of a former president trying to overthrow the government.
Well, last question, sir. That when I saw the document last night, I noticed Mark Meadows, the former president's former chief of staff, was on it and not mentioned in the Jack Smith indictment. Do you think Mark Meadows has potentially flipped here on the former president?
You're reading the same thing I did, Blake, when I read it last night. I was wondering the same thing. I actually live in North Carolina now. Mr. Meadows was my congressman for a while.
So if I was in a L1 law class, I guess I asked a good question, is what you're telling me.
Absolutely. You got it.
All right. Got to leave it there. We got to run. Former DeKalb County DA J. Tom Morgan. We'll have you on back. I'm sure we're going to be talking about this for quite some time.
Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.